So here at Eagle Mine, we're a primary nickel and copper mine. We are a mill site. Our mine site is about 66 miles away. We truck our ore here. We usually run 12 trucks around. We got 3 rounds a day. Each truck is around 40 tons of material. We process it here, crush it, it gets sent into the mill. The mill grinds it in ball mills, and it goes through our flotation process. We separate the nickel and copper, and then it gets sent out to our CLO building, which is our loadout building, and we load train cars that go up into Canada with our final product that we produce here at Eagle Mine.
One of the challenges that we have with the crushing circuit is maintaining our belts in good quality, keeping the ore on the belts, keeping the dust down in the buildings, and keeping it productive.
We decided to go to a Martin Engineering belt cleaner setup, which really cut down on the work needed to maintain that belt system.
The CleanScrape really hones in on the stubborn type of carryback that's either very abrasive, that's very tacky, that simply does not want to release from the belt, while also addressing longevity and durability of cleaners.
We have our undersized chutes, which take a lot of wear, a lot of material comes through it. We could end up with a hole within 2 months to 6 months. And these CleanScrapes, they lasted 3 years.
The CleanScrape, compared to a traditional cleaner, can actually outlast a blade 4 times to 1, simply due to the fact that it is actually a carbide leading edge.
It allows us not to spend so much time around equipment that could potentially be hazardous. Since having those improvements, it tremendously lowers our time being out there under those belts cleaning. A lot less time, less hazard, so it's a win-win for everything, really.
It's nearly immediate that these customers will begin to see the effects of installing any kind of cleaner, primary and or secondary setup. The number one edge that Martin Engineering has over any competitor is our service.
The field tech isn't just looking at exactly what they're working on. He's looking over the conveyors, what leads up to that, what would benefit us, versus just throwing in a piece of equipment saying that's going to do the job.
We like to know that we have actually provided a solution rather than simply throwing a product at a customer, and therefore we continue to find niches that put Martin above anyone else.
When we first started the plant, there was a huge learning curve with our operations team and with our maintenance team. We brought Martin on board. They gave us training on how to adjust the scrapers and adjust the belts. We changed the systems, that way we didn't have to worry about adjusting on a daily basis, which freed up a tremendous amount of time, and they got rid of a lot of the carryback.
Martin has done a great job of coming here and helping us out, and they have somebody come on site and go through everything.
We take ownership of our product. We take ownership of conveyors in general. Even if it really doesn't pertain to Martin, we have the experience, we have the background to be able to assist our customers in streamlining their process so that they are more profitable in the end.